Hello everyone, my name is Ryan and I'm from America.
My name is and I'm from Mongolia.
We are both coordinators for international relations working for Takikawa City in Hokkaido. Today we'd like to show you one of Takikawa's many charms. We'll be introducing the winter scenery of the Maruka Highlands, which you can see behind us. The Maruka Highlands are a hilly region in the northeast of Takikawa. Before the winter snows come, you can drive up to the observation deck for a view of the whole town and surrounding countryside. But during the winter, it's off limits, so we received special permission to film here and climb the highlands in these snowshoes.
Let's go!
The temperature outside is minus 5 degrees Celsius or 23 degrees Fahrenheit, and the snow is about 2 meters or 6.5 feet deep. We have beautiful weather today to enjoy the glistening white snow, and the fresh air smells fantastic. We made it to the top. The Maruka Highlands are lush with green and home to cows and sheep from spring to fall, but they transform into a beautiful snowscape in winter. Take a look at the view from up here. So this was my first time snowshoeing, and it was really a lot easier than I expected it to be. And the view from up here is really different from anything I've ever seen. These sand dune-like patterns in the snow are really just wonderful. So this was a great experience for me, and we hope that you all enjoyed this little winter excursion as well. We'll be showing you more of Takikawa's charms in the future, so we look forward to seeing you again.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!